Hey, it's a way for everyone. We are all going. We are going. What is bad is devil. And the Lord said the devil intervenes a lot. Interferes a lot. He put his fingers where it's not supposed to. He interferes a lot. Jesus is concerned about that people are not departing the earth the way they're supposed to depart. Another thing, even if life can hurt you, do not commit suicide. You are not the one who gave yourself life. Do not kill yourself. Hold on. If it's going to take you down, let it be. Go down. If it will make people to undermine you or criticize you, let it be so. Pastor.
Yes,
Jesus will help us.
And
may I tell the world, listen. Jesus said a person is not afraid. A person should not be afraid on how people will talk about you. Because people can talk about someone for 3 days. From the day 4 going further, it does not have value to people. Because you are afraid of them. You killed yourself. You want to tell yourself. You cannot come back to the world. Can't you be strong and they talk about you for 3 days? Knowing that Jesus is alive. And Jesus is with you. Jesus is alive. They'll change the story one day about me. Because it's alive. Even if it's me, he caused it. Yes. Even if it's you who caused it, let them speak. Let them speak. Fix my life with the Lord. Hey. To fix my life with the Lord. I'll look unto Jesus. Day, morning, in the afternoon. I'll look unto Jesus. He will fix it. Instead of committing suicide.